Universal Studios, having recently reopened, has briefly reinstated Halloween Horror Nights this year, starting with some light mazes, including Wife of Frankenstein Lives from Universal Monsters theme and franchise. However, for next year's Halloween Horror Nights, which will be in 2021, better that than this year's Halloween Horror Nights. It's predicted that the basis for next year's Halloween Horror Nights might include The Walking Dead 2019's Child's Play, the Universal Monsters themselves, and 2018's Halloween. Furthermore, we also go to another topic, Nintendo World at Universal Studios Japan, which will be opening next year as well. However, they will hold off on the Orlando version at Universal Studios until 2024 as planned, the same year as the opening of the future Epic Universe theme park. They should also include, by the way, in Halloween Horror Nights 2021, movies like The Prodigy, The Turning, and Antlers, aka Wendigo, into mazes, which will be different but new film-based mazes indeed, much like the Walking Dead experience, which will return soon to Universal Studios Hollywood very soon. As a year-round Halloween Horror Nights styled walkthrough attraction, it is much like the anticipated It the Attraction, soon replacing Shrek 4D at Universal Studios, and based on the 2017 hit horror film and its 2019 sequel, It Part 2. It will be fearful and fun for all ages compared to the movies. Thank you.